Hey everyone, this is Dhruvin and I welcome you all to Power Up's Beginner series. You are watching the fifth part of this series. So in this session, we are going to discuss about the difference between Canvas app versus SharePoint list form customization. So now, let's get started. So now, let's see side-by-side comparison of Customize a list form versus Power Up's Canvas app forms. The left hand side represents the customized list form and right hand side represents the standalone Canvas app. We can open customize list form application only from the list where we have created. While in the standalone Canvas app, it can be opened from anywhere. We can open it from browser or we can open it from mobile applications of Power Apps as well. Customize a form if you want your users to manage your data without leaving SharePoint. Let's say for an example, if your requirement is something where user do not want to leave their SharePoint context, at that time you can use this approach to customize your form. In case of standalone Canvas app, it is basically used while you have a requirement that it should be open as a standalone app as well as it should be open from your mobile devices as well. At that time, you can go with the Power Apps Canvas app. The customized list form is something which is stored only in the default environment. While in the case of Power Apps standalone Canvas app, you can store the application in any of the environment that you have created or you have an access on. In case of customized list form, you don't need to share the form. The form inherits the permission from the SharePoint list automatically. When you are done with your customization, you just need to publish form back to the SharePoint so everyone can use it. In case of standalone Canvas app, you need to provide a permission to the app with whom you want to share the app. So basically you need to share the app with all the users whom you want to provide the access with. That additional step you need to perform in case of standalone Canvas app. Anyone with SharePoint permission to manage, design or edit the associated list can edit the Customize Form app and make the changes appropriately. While in case of Canvas app, only app creators or co-owners are able to edit or customize the forms. So this was the basic limitation in between the customized list form approach and Power Apps Canvas app approach. Hope this is clear for you now. If you have any question related to this topic, add your questions in the comment section. If you are for the first time to my channel, make sure you hit subscribe and press the bell notification to never miss any updates from my channel. Stay connected with me for amazing Power Platform videos on Power BI, Power Apps, Power Virtual Agent, Power Automate, Teams and SharePoint. If you are looking for any corporate training or any consultancy work, you can connect me on my WhatsApp number which is +919537981467. Stay connected with me on all my social media platforms like Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter and WhatsApp. If you wish to receive daily notification from my channel, click on this link. It will be redirecting you to this form. Fill the form and you will be receiving daily notification on your WhatsApp number. Stay connected with me. Have a great day. Goodbye.